Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is which part of the vertebrae is weight bearing? A. Vertebral arch. B. Vertebral body. C. Spinous process and D. Transverse process. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which condition is characterized by the abnormal curvature of the spine? A. Scoliosis, B. Osteoporosis, C. Arthritis, and D. Tendonitis. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which bone is commonly known as the shin bone? A. Femur, B. Tibia, C. Fibula, and D. Patella. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which muscle is involved in the movement of the forearm? A. Tricep brachii, B. Bicep brachii, C. Brachialis, and D. All of the above. So the correct option is all of the above. The next MCQ is what is the primary function of the axial skeleton? A. Facilitate movement, B. Protect internal organs, C. Produce red blood cell, and D. Store minerals. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of muscle contraction occurs without a change in muscle length? A. Isotonic contraction, B. Isometric contraction, C. Eccentric contraction, and D. Concentric contraction. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which ligament in the knee is responsible for stabilizing the joint during movement? A. Anterior cruciate ligament, B. PCL, and D. MCL. So the correct option is ACL. The next MCQ is which structure is found in the center of the osteon? A. Haversian canal, B. Volkmann canals, and D. Canaliculi, and D. Licunia. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which bone is part of the pectoral girdle? A. Scapula, B. Femur, C. Tibia, and D. Pelvis. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which mineral is essential for muscle contraction? A. Sodium, B. Calcium, C. Potassium, and D. Magnesium. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of muscle fiber is most resistant to the fatigue? To fatigue, A. Type 1, B. Type 2A, and C. Type 2B. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which bone forms the upper jaw? A. Mandible, B. Maxilla, C. Zygomatic, and D. Temporal. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which protein forms the thick filament in a muscle fiber? A. Actin, B. Myosin, C. Troponin, and D. Tropomyosin. So the correct option is B. Myosin. The next MCQ is which structure connect two bones together at a joint? A. Tendon, B. Ligament, C. Muscles, D. Cartilage. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which bone is the longest in the human body? A. Humerus, B. Tibia, C. Femur, and D. Radius. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of cartilage is the most abundant in the human body? A. Hyaline cartilage, B. Elastic cartilage, C. Fibrocartilage, and D. Articular cartilage. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which part of the vertebral column consists of 12 vertebrae? A. Cervical, B. Thoracic, C. Lumbar, C. Sacral. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which bone is located in the lower leg and is the smaller of the two bones? A. Femur, B. Tibia, C. Fibula, C. D. Patella. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which structure provides cushioning between bones in a joint? A. Ligaments, B. Tendons, C. Cartilage, D. Fascia. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which muscle group is responsible for extending the leg at the knee joint? A. Quadriceps, B. Hamstring, C. Gluteal. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which type of muscle tissue is striated and involuntary? A. Skeletal muscle, B. Cardiac muscle, C. Smooth muscle, D. Connective muscle. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which structure in the muscle cell is the site of ATP production? A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Sarcoplasmic reticulum, and D. Golgi apparatus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is what is the primary function of osteoblast? A. Break down bone tissue, C. Form new bone tissue, D. Maintain bone tissue, and D. Store calcium. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which type of joint is found between the bones of the skull? A. Synovial joint, B. Hinge joint, C. Suture, and D. Pivot joint. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which muscle is responsible for the movement of the jaw? A. Masseter, B. Temporalis, and C. Both A and B. So the correct option is C. Both A and B. The next MCQ is which structure in the muscle cell releases calcium ion during contraction? A. Nucleus, B. Mitochondria, C. Sarcoplasmic reticulum, and D. Golgi apparatus. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which bone is also known for as the collarbone? A. Scapula, B. Clavicle, C. Sternum, D. Humerus. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which condition is caused by the degeneration of cartilage in the joints? A. Rheumatoid arthritis, B. Osteoarthritis, C. Goats, and D. Tendonitis. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.